He was born into a rich family and had a happy childhood. However, his family happiness soon ended. His father did not handle the family finances very well, and when he was just 12 years old, his father was imprisoned for debt. He was sent to work at Warren's blacking factory, fixing labels to bottles of blacking to help support his family, while his father was in the debtor's prison. His primary role there was to stick labels onto the jars of polish. He earned 6 shillings a week by working 10-hour days. He was humiliated to be working with the rough men and boys at the factory. However, he always hummed songs and tried to work happily. People used to ask him, "Is work fun?" Then each time he replied like this, "Because I have bigger hopes for my future." This story is about Charles Dickens, an English writer widely known for his novels A Christmas Carol and Oliver Twist. The strenuous and harsh working conditions he experienced made a lasting impression on him, and later influenced his writing, becoming the foundation of his interest in the reform of socio-economic and labor conditions. Hope is powerful. It inspires us to do the impossible and helps us carry on during difficult times. This is a quote from Charles Dickens. "It's always something to know you've done the most you could. But don't leave off hoping, or it's of no use doing anything. Hope to the last."